As developers, we often need our applications to interact with APIs and services over HTTP. One common use case is submitting data using an HTTP POST request. However, there tends to be confusion on how to efficiently achieve this functionality using built-in .NET features. Let's start with an older, outdated approach developers previously used: HttpWebRequest. As you see here, setting up this method requires a considerable amount of boilerplate code. You have to specifically manage request streams, convert your data manually into bytes, and handle response streams manually as well. It works, but it's too complicated and harder to maintain. Now let's switch to the recommended and modern way, using the HttpClient class. The HttpClient method vastly simplifies sending POST requests. Here, we use the FormUrlEncodedContent class to neatly package our parameters. Then, with one simple line, we send our request using POST async. Because HttpClient supports asynchronous methods naturally, your code remains scalable and responsive. This method is simpler, cleaner, and aligns perfectly with best coding practices. Let's run our HttpClient example and check the resulting response. As you see, we quickly and painlessly executed our POST request successfully without all the boilerplate and complexity we had before. So in conclusion, always prefer HttpClient for making HTTP requests in your modern C# applications. It's the most straightforward, understandable, and powerful approach in today's development using .NET. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you next time with more programming insights.